Hey y'all, welcome back. It is Monday, and as y'all see, this is what's going on in Kansas City. Well, you know what? I think it's majority of the Midwest. We got a blizzard yesterday, and y'all see what's going on. Y'all see that? Oh, me. Look, y'all see this ice and stuff? So, me, it's just ice everywhere. So I was going to walk to the end of this block to see if my car would make it up the hill to go to work. Y'all see how icy it is out here, man? They ain't done nothing on our streets. It's crazy. So, I'm about to flip it back, y'all. So, as y'all see, my whole block is icy. My car got all kind of snow and ice on it. So, and my boss just called me, and he pretty much said that don't try to come to work. We are going to be closed today, and it won't be used against me. You know, paid time off, stuff like that. So, I guess I'm about to just go ahead and clean my car off. Start putting some ice melt and stuff down my steps and stuff. And I guess, you know, see what to do with the kids at home today. I wish my son was at home, if he was at home, because my son, he didn't have school originally today, even if it wasn't a blizzard. He did not have school today. So, he's at his Nana's, so, and then daycares and everything else is closed. So, pretty much, if my son was at home, I would have just recorded us putting up the Christmas tree, but I guess I'll say that for another day. So all the kids can, you know, be involved in that, plus me. So, yeah. Look at that, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell, but look at all that. Look at all this. I gotta get all this off my car. All this off car. Look how far my foot goes. Dang. 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 Okay, y'all. I almost forgot the quote of the day, and I wasn't at work, so I went to find the quote of the day. So, today's quote of the day is, no matter where you are in life, celebrate it. It's either a product of your growth or a place that will help you grow. Cheers to today. That is the quote for today. As y'all see, my unicorn is asleep. Oh, you woke? Are you sleepy, Nene? Sleepy? Alright, go back to sleep. Okay, y'all, so it's later on in the day. I see this little girl. Oh, no, he paused this. Why you crying, Nene? You want your food now? I know I look a little crazy, but she's crying because she thinks it's okay to not eat her food. But she thinks that she's supposed to get juice and not eat her food. So I need you to tell everybody why you don't want to eat your food, but you think you should get juice. You cannot not eat your food and think you're going to get juice. Now, Maya, come here, Maya. Maya do not like the camera, y'all. Maya just be running.
I know this probably sounds,
but Maya,
crazy, but
she ate all her food, and Maya, look, she gonna run again. Maya, she ate all her food, and she had a juice, and she tried to get me for another juice. Maya, y'all, I don't know if y'all do this on my channel. Maya has autism, but she is very, 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 very smart, and she ate all her food, and she was able to get a juice. But my daddy gave her a juice, Then she tried to come ask me for another juice, so but I didn't know that Maya had a juice. You tried to get me for another juice, didn't you, Maya? Didn't you, Maya? Maya, come here. Come here, Maya. Maya.
Hey, man.
You guys want me to believe?
Zamaya, what she do? Bounce
Damn,
on
they're
you?
making this plate fall off.
Oh.
A woman named
Chill out.
who was screwing a
Say hi, Dre.
guy who was growing pot in Area 51.
So, come here, Maya.
Aliens on their way to a concert that you never got
All right,
to
Maya.
see.
Y'all, Maya don't want to say hi. Excuse my background. I'm in my bedroom. Y'all see clothes on my shoe rack, but ain't no shoes and whatever, however, whatever. But, so we're going to eat our food now? All right, let's go get your food.
Up here.
It's a little dark in here, but as y'all see, it's barbecue chicken, mashed potatoes, some veggies with some Alfredo sauce, with some pasta noodles and Alfredo with veggies. That's what she needs to do. So,
Mama, I got this in my hand.
I know it looks dark, but she has to eat. If she eats her food, she get her juice. So we'll find out. What you want, Maya? Come here.
8 the latest because the food court will close at 9.
Come here. Say hi. What are you doing back in here, Nene?
Aha.
What's hot?
Me.
What you mean you're hot?
My tongue's hot.
Your tummy's hot.
My tongue.
The barbecue sauce is not even spicy.
It's hot.
No, it's not.
It is.
Well, you ain't getting no juice. It's just as simple as that. If you don't eat your food, you ain't getting nothing to eat. I mean, no juice. You ain't getting no juice, no cookies, no snacks, no nothing. I don't know what that glare is, y'all. Also, tell them we having a hard time with this potty training stuff, too. Can you tell them that? Yeah, y'all. She'll go number 1 on a pot, but number 2, I don't know what's up with that.
But if
You walking around here smelling like a stink.
Sorry, y'all. Got a text message. Like I showed y'all earlier in the video, it's been snowing and Maya ain't got school. And looks like Zayshawn ain't got school either. Zamaya. Zamaya. Pick her up, Trey. Bring her over here.
Get up, my step. Get up, my sister.
Come here, Maya.
Come on, man.
Get up. Come here.
Sister. Get out. Get out her.
Get over here.
Get out her.
Come on, sit down.
You stink.
Yeah, she do stink. I gotta change her. Come here, Maya. Y'all, she do not. She do not.
Get off of me, man, with your butt. You stink.
Y'all see, I'm watching YouTube.
Not this.
Maya. Maya.
Don't.
okay.
Maya.
Don't.
Maya. 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 She just refused. Maya. It's Maya. Maya. Just say hi. Just say hi. Say hi. Excuse her hair. Excuse her hair. Say hi. Say hi, friends. Say I'm Snaggatooth. Say hi, friends. Say hi. You don't want to say hi? You look real crazy. You gotta do your hair. She don't like her hair done either. She hate getting her hair done.
Hey, girl. You better.
Bye.
But I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Say, see you later.
See you later.
Say bye, Maya.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Say bye, Dre.